Hello everyone, this video shows how to do the wiring and initial setup. Step 1. Unpack and prepare. Open wooden cases and remove the protective film. Take Cobot out. Take screws inside the magnet base out. Step 2. Install the base. First, install furnace onto Cobot base. Place the wide insulation spacer. Install the magnet base. Stack the components on each bolt in this order: wide insulation washer, flat washer, spring washer, and nut. Tighten all 4 nuts. Step 3. Mount Cobot on trolley. Press down the 3 magnet base handles. Rotate handles 180 degrees to the left. Cobot now is firmly attached to trolley. Step 4. Connect cables. Body cable. Plug the body cable, arrow facing down, into the corresponding port on the control cabinet. Tighten the front nut to the right. Teaching pendant. Place teaching pendant on its holder on the trolley. Plug it in, arrow facing down, and tighten the front nut to the right. Power. Plug in the control's power cable. Turn on the controller, then turn on the teaching pendant. Wait for the system and Cobot body to power up. Step 5. Align Cobot. Press and hold the teaching pendant button on the front of the body to align it. Step 6. Install welding torch. Open the teaching handle from the welding torch box. Use the included screws to attach torch handle to front body. Take the small clamps from the box. Fit the larger end onto Cobot's forearm. Unscrew the lock at the front of the handle. Align the black positioning pin on the torch head with slots inside the handle, then push it in. Tighten the handle lock to secure the welding torch. Plug the torch switch cable into the handle, then carefully insert it into the corresponding port. Tighten the nut to the right. Step 7. Secure torch and connect the feeder. Place the torch onto the other end of the clamp. Press the teach button on the handle and pull the torch tips to its limited position. Tighten the clamp screws to fix torch in place. Connect torch to wire feeder. Insert it, twist left to lock, then tighten top screw. Connect gas hose port to wire feeder and tighten it. Step 8. Final wiring. Route torch switch cable through the hole in the controller's cabinet side panel. Insert the 7 colored wires into their corresponding port as shown in the diagram. Step 9. Final setup. Follow the video instructions to activate the torch load parameters. And finally, perform the drag test.